Not going to sell your home anytime soon? Well, here are 6 important things that you need to do to bring your home up to today's standards. Holly Moebus here with your Real Estate Minute. If you're not looking to sell your home anytime soon, what are some things you can do to update it and add value? Number 1, roof replacement. Even if you're not looking to sell your home right now, eventually you will be. And a new roof is a huge selling point to potential buyers. Why? They don't want to buy a home that has a roof that they're going to need to replace in a couple years. And also, a roof that is many years old can be really hard for your potential buyers to obtain homeowners insurance. Number 2, a bathroom remodel. Without changing the entire footprint of your bathroom, a bathroom remodel can be a reasonable expense. Change the tile, get a new vanity, maybe a different color paint on the walls, and you'll have a bathroom up to today's standards. Number 3, a kitchen remodel. Similar to the bathroom remodel, without doing a big kitchen overhaul, simply getting new kitchen cabinets and installing granite countertops can completely transform your kitchen. Number 4, window replacement. Depending on the age of your home, it might be time to update those windows. Good, energy-efficient windows will be a huge draw to potential buyers, as well as save you money and energy in the meantime. Number 5, entry door replacement. In other words, get a new front door. First impressions go a long way, and having a beautiful, brand new front door will wow those potential buyers. And lastly, number 6, landscaping. The outside of your home is just as important as the inside of your home. So if you're one of those people who has a green thumb, get on out there, work on the landscaping of your yard. And if you, like me, do not have a green thumb, hire a professional. Someone will come out, typically it's a one-time deal. They come out, they redesign, re-landscape your home, and you will be amazed at how it will transform the look of your home. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope these tips helped you today. This is Holly Moebus with Better Homes and Gardens Thomas Group, and I'll see you next time.